sorry you can't see me, but I promise I'm here. Hello. I just arrived at Riviera Cancun at the Haven, and I wanted to give you a really quick sneak peek of my room because it is absolutely beautiful. I am in building 2, and we're going to go in and take a peek. But before we go in, I wanted to show you this nice little feature. So there's a do not disturb and a cleaning service. So your maid service that you can turn that light on and let them know that you are ready for service. And then here we are in my room. So a quick little peek of the view when you enter the room. Right when you enter, you can go to the right here. This is a really nice little feature I wanted to point out. So you can hook your phone up and actually have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and listen to music in the bathroom. So that's kind of cool. It does have a private little water closet for anyone that wants to know that. And then this bathroom is big and it's amazing. Nice little makeup counter. And then there's me. And then you can see it does have double sinks for those that it is important to. And then check out this shower. Nice glass shower with an amazing textured wall. And it does have a rain shower head. And then as you can see, it's kind of interesting. So the one side of the shower does look through to the room, but you also can see that there's a sliding door. So you can close that if you're here with a group of friends and you don't want that room to be opened up. And then this is a really neat feature. So in the bathroom, your closet opens either into the bathroom, or you can see these doors on the other side where we're gonna take a step outside the bathroom here. And you can open the closet from in the room area too. So that's just kind of a cool little feature that they've done here at this hotel. You can see that there's some comfy little robes there. A scale. I've never figured out why people want a scale on vacation, but they do provide it. And then you also have your safe, which is always a nice feature with some nice drawers. And they do provide you steamers, so that is nice. And then if you go over here, you see that there's a little mini bar area. So you do have a coffee machine, a coffee maker for in the morning. And then right down here, you do have a refrigerator that has beverages in your room, some snacks if you need that. We do have 24-hour room service, so that is nice. And then here is the bedroom area. So nice king size bed, sofa, desk area, nice little sitting area here. That's either a sofa bench or some tables and chairs here. And you can see I got a little snack, some apples, and then a beautiful patio out here. So patios, this is a partial ocean view room. So the patios do come with a nice jetted sofa tub. And then here is my view. And then we do have walls for privacy. And then you can see that there's a little sitting area. And what I am looking at is one of the 2 pool areas that they have here. So this is a huge pool area. You can see a nice little bar down there, a lot of nice umbrella and shaded areas, and then of course the ocean beyond. So just wanted to share this with you. I'm really impressed with these rooms. It's a beautiful new resort, only been open a year. So I'm excited for my little stay, and then I'm going to give you this peek below. So I'm on the 2nd floor. But if you do see on the 1st floor, those are swim out rooms. So you can see those little dividers, and you do have direct access to this nice little pool that runs all the way around. So if you do want a swim out option, that is definitely available here, and I would tell you it is worth it because they are really cool and wonderful to have. Okay, so last little piece. Haven Riviera Cancun.